I'm Reed Bloodworth, founding partner of Bloodworth Law. Today, I want to talk to you about what a personal representative's role is in probate. The first question you need to answer is, what's probate? Probate's the formal court-supervised process whereby a decedent's will is both validated and then make sure it is complied with. Within that process, what does a personal representative do? Well, the personal representative is the person approved by the court to carry out the probate procedure. The first thing a personal representative does is seeks to open the probate with the court by filing a petition for administration. Once this is filed, the personal representative will also file the decedent's will with the court and also the death certificate. Once the letters of administration are issued, naming the personal representative will serve the notice of administration to all of the known beneficiaries, surviving spouse, and in some cases other interested parties. Once the personal representative is named, he or she has many duties they must comply with. Some of the primary duties include serving the notice of administration on the beneficiaries, gathering all of the assets of the estate, determining who the creditors are of the decedent, and then supplying those creditors with notice so that those creditors can file claims against the estate to get paid for any outstanding bills owed at the time of death. Along with that, one of the primary duties of a personal representative is then dealing with the process of these claims filed by creditors. Some of them may be valid. Sometimes the creditors may miss the deadline to file those types of claims, and you would object to those and may have to do some type of litigation or negotiating pertaining to those debts. The personal representative is also responsible for paying any other debts pertaining to the estate, such as funeral costs. The personal representative is also responsible for preparing an estate tax return if necessary. And once all of the debts, everything of that nature has been taken care of, perhaps the most important aspect the personal representative has is distributing the remaining assets pursuant to the terms of the will to the beneficiaries. Once that aspect is completed, a personal representative would then close the probate estate. Now, it is important for a personal representative to remember that they are allowed to hire professionals to assist them in this process. Indeed, I think it's crucial in many circumstances for a personal representative to hire an accountant or an attorney or both. These things are specifically allowed, and the accountant or attorney hired can be paid from the estate. It's not something that a personal representative has to come out of his or her own pocket for. Now, oftentimes, litigation can occur within the probate. Bloodworth Law represents personal representatives and also represents beneficiaries seeking to remove personal representatives. So again, my name is Reed Bloodworth, founding partner of Bloodworth Law. If you have a question about probate, give me a call. Let's talk about what happened to you.